Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos, and today I've got the Ninja Grill out for something a bit Christmassy. We are going to be doing a baked Camembert, but we're going to be baking it inside some pizza dough, and we're going to be wrapping bacon with it. If you didn't want bacon, you could leave that out and have it without. We're going to be adding some garlic, some rosemary and some cranberry sauce, and you're going to be able to tear and share, rip some of that bread and bacon off and dip it into the nice oozy soft Camembert. So if you like what you're seeing, make sure you are staying tuned to the channel and you are hitting that bell for notifications of when I release new content. Hope you enjoy it. Let's jump straight into it. We have some smoked streaky bacon, some fresh rosemary, the star of the show which is the Camembert, some garlic cloves that have been peeled and cut in half. We have some red berries, so these are red currants. We have some pizza dough, we have some flour and some cranberry sauce. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get one of these nice dough balls. Now these are 220 gram per ball. They've just been out proving, so they're nice and soft. I'm going to dip it in some flour. And then I'm going to sprinkle a bit of flour on the bench, and I'm just going to press this out. Now, I'm not going to go too thin. Just a small sort of 9-inch pizza size. And then I'm going to do 2 or 3 of these. And what we're going to do, we're going to put these together. You could just do it as one big ball if you wanted. That's another. And there's the next one. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of put these together so they overlap a bit. Like so. And that's where the star of the show is going to come in, the Camembert. But we aren't using the Ninja Grill for today's video, so we do need to make sure that it does fit in the base pan, because we're going to use this on bake. By the time we've got all of this wrapped up, it should work really nice. So cheese on top. Some people cut the top off, I'm leaving the top on. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut sort of fingers out of the dough. Like so. And you can spread that out, so it looks a bit like a sunshine. Then next what we're going to do, I've got some streaky bacon, and all I'm going to do is put a piece. I've got enough here for my breakfast tomorrow as well, obviously. Then just going to lay a piece on, and this is the part where obviously if you wanted it to keep it vegetarian, as in no meat, obviously cheese is going to be an issue, but no meat, you could leave that out. Then all we're going to do, okay, is twist each one of these. Round and round, and that bacon fat is going to ooze out into the bread. It's going to soak up, it's going to go really nice and crispy, oozing And this is a real sort of Christmas Eve treat. If you got friends around, get one of these on. I mean, already it's looking amazing. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to try and transfer this into the Ninja grill and kind of rearrange it all. So this is going to be the tricky part. Now what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift these on top like an octopus. I'm just going to lift the whole thing in, and then I'm just going to rearrange it all. Simple as that. Oh, it's looking good. And then if you need to do a bit of retwisting, you can. Wow. And the smell of this cheese, it's a real stinker. It's a good one, it's a good one. Right, so we've got the Camembert looking like a bit of an octopus. Next thing what we need to do is I'm going to cut into the Camembert, and the noisy fridge next to me has decided it's going to turn itself on and make a load of noise, but never mind. So we've got a nice crisscross pattern, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to stud this with a few garlic cloves and some rosemary, because they go hand in hand, they're best friends. So fantastic. And then I'm just going to get some of the rosemary, I'm just going to shred some of the leaves off it and put this around the bread as well, just for some extra aromatic flavour. I'm going to get a little bit of olive oil, just a bit down each of the bread legs, we'll call them, and a bit over the top. The Camembert. Now let's get it in the Ninja. So we've got our bread, bacon, rosemary, Camembert and garlic ready to go. So let's lift the Ninja up. And this is just in the base part of the Ninja grill. We're going to place it in, and we're going to shut the lid down. I'm going to turn it on. So what we're going to go here is for bake. I'm going to drop the time or the temperature to 180, and I'm actually going to drop the time down to 20 minutes. It may not need the full 20 minutes, but we'll see. And I'm then going to press stop and preheat. So preheat's over, and then we're going to add the food. There we go. We're going to come back to this after 10 minutes, and we're going to have a look at it after 10 minutes and see what's happening. It's coming up to 10 minutes, halfway. Oh my word. That is looking really good. So you can see the Camembert's just sort of starting to ooze and go soft. I don't think this is going to take the full 20 minutes. I think maybe another 4, maybe 5 minutes at the top. So let's give it a go. This has now been on for just over 15 minutes, coming up to 16 minutes. And look at this. Wow. All the bread twists are wrapped with the bacon. The Camembert is really soft, and it started to ooze out over these ones. I'm going to say that is done. We now need to zhuzh it up a little bit with some cranberry sauce as well. Right, look at that everyone. I mean, look how soft and oozy that is. Just going going to stick a bit more rosemary in, and then some of this beautiful cranberry sauce. I'm going to dollop that right in the cheese, and then we have the red berries just to decorate it and make it look a little bit festive. Look at that, there we have it. Baked camembert with garlic, rosemary, smoky bacon and cranberry sauce. So the next thing is, we need to taste it. Let's go. So there we have it. Let's have a taste. Let's see what we think. So I'm gonna get one of these legs off with the bacon that's wrapped up, and then let's get it dipped in. Oh my god. Oh my word. I think it's probably one of the best things I've cooked in the Ninja Grill so far. It's fantastic. It's pretty cheap. It is a real festive sort of treat, a platter. Imagine bringing that out on the table, a few friends around, a couple of glasses of wine on the go, or non-alcoholic beverage. I think that is a real winner. Wow, I can't wait to eat the rest of this, quite frankly. Right everyone, if you've enjoyed the video on how to do this baked camembert in the Ninja Grill, please make sure you are subscribing to the channel, hitting that notification bell when I release new content. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again very soon.